Welcome to Static Model Mayhem. On this episode we'll discuss how we deal with photo-etched parts on different scales, but on our case it's going to be the photo-etch thread for YS Masterpieces Kortenaer Frigate. Now, usually we have a thread of this form with all the needed pieces. In this case we have the railings right here, we have the helicopter safety net, crane pieces, some safety nets, some additional safety nets, and some different bits and pieces. Before we start doing, also we have the radar there. Before we start doing all the great stuff like bending, painting and whatever, we have to prime this. One approach is to lightly sand it, but you're risking bending the railings if you go too hard, and I really don't want to go to this process. I used Mr. Metal Primer's metal primer basically, but its form is similar to, similar to nail varnish, as you can see. It does the job, but it is a bit thick. Lately I've been using VMS's Metal Prep 4K with great results, and this is exactly what we are going to do for our Kortenaer Frigate. You can use this material via airbrush, but I prefer a paintbrush because I don't want any mysterious chemicals to go through my airbrush. So here we go, just lightly cover it. The more thorough we are, the better the additional primer is going to stick. Because yes, this is just priming for metals. Following that, we're going to prime it with our usual primer, either one shot or Vallejo's surface primer. Now that we have one part primed, let's go for the other side. If you put this too thick, you might end up with some clogged up detail, like it's the case here on the ladders, as you can see. So just be gentle and be as thorough and lay down an even coat on it. Highly recommended this stuff. It's probably, if not the best, one of the 2 or 3 best metal primers out there for photo etch pieces. There we go. See? Where we have it applied thick, it's trying to cover the details. Like here. And I think that we are done. What can you use to clean up your brush? White spirit or something a bit stronger than that. So we have our photo etch pieces primed. We're going to leave this to dry for about, I would say, 12 to 18 hours. and we'll prime it again with either one-shot primer or a Vallejo primer. Thank you for watching Static Model Mayhem. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.